In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jeopardy game in Google Slides. We'll build a clean, interactive board you can use for classes, training sessions, or game night, all using a free template and the tools you already have. First, open your browser and go to slidescarnival.com/template/Jeopardy. This is a trusted site that offers ready-made slide decks. When the Jeopardy template page loads, take a moment to skim the preview so you know what's included: a game board, category slides, and question and answer layouts. Having this mental map will make customization faster later. Next, download the template. On the template page, look for the download area and click the option to get the files. This ensures you have the resources associated with the theme in case you want them locally. Saving a copy now also gives you a fallback if you ever need to restore the original design. Now click the Google Slides option. This opens the template directly in your browser so you can edit without installing anything. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account so the file can be saved to your drive. Give the page a moment to load the fonts and assets. If something looks off at first, it usually finishes rendering after a second. In Google Slides, click Use Template. That button creates your own editable copy rather than editing the master file. Rename the file to something descriptive and put it in the folder where you keep lesson plans or meeting materials so it's easy to find later. Finally, customize it. Replace the placeholder category names with your topics and adjust point values to match the difficulty you want. Click each question tile to jump to its slide and type the clue, then add the answer on the reveal area so players can check their responses. If the template includes links, keep them intact so tiles return to the main board. If you change slide order, update the links by selecting the text or shape, pressing Ctrl or Command K and choosing the correct slide. Use the slide master to change colors, fonts, and your logo across all slides at once for a consistent look. Keep text large and high contrast for readability, and test in present mode to confirm navigation feels smooth and every tile goes to the right question. When you're happy, you're ready to host your Jeopardy game.